Well, thank you to Brianna Troop for opening her big mouth and telling Nate that the Derby was in town 2 hours from the regional when he didn't make the cut. So I was like, great, we have an off day. Nope. Love you, Brie, but holy moly. So here I am.
Chance to make more money.
And the good news is I was forced to bowl because Nate needs a doubles partner. Not because he wanted to bowl with me, because he needed someone to bowl.
No,
so here I am.
You want to bowl? She's like, yeah, that's pretty cool.
No, it was like, I'm not going to have anyone to bowl with and make $2,000 in brackets. I'm like,
well,
so I have to bowl.
knock on wood for that.
Well, no, I know. You always like got to speak it into existence, but I'm forced to bowl. Like, so here we are.
Here we are.
Thick Boys Bowling Club.
Shout out.
Look at those abs. Just in case you were wondering how many balls made it on the trip.
Well, this is for 3 tour stops. So.
Still. I told him to pick it up. So far she's clean. Nate's having a really fun time right now. Lego man. Are you having fun?
Kind of.
Did he like it? That lane doesn't hook as much as this one, so you never know. Okay. Love this guy's jersey. The Penguins are iffy. Shove? Oh, it did. Oh, he really hit that one. Oh!
Oh boy. Alright, out of trouble.
There we go. Well, guys, I gave it to him in the end. Oh, no, I beat him.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said 240. Woo! Woo!
Oh.
I think that's the spawn. Is that the spawn?
Spawn. Yep. Close. Yeah.
Okay, so I am throwing an alert that Nate just drilled me yesterday. Hottest ball driller alive.
Oh, thank you.
Shout out to the pro shop in Smyrna for allowing us to
Drill.
use the press last night. And Nate, I guess, laid it out pretty good. It rolls well when I throw
That's
good.
good.
Every time I've thrown a good
Not
shot
in
today.
trouble.
Every time I've thrown a good shot today, struck. That counts for anything.
Hit. Yeah.
I think he figured something out.
the hill. Hi, Elise.
Oh. Oh. There she is, Mrs. Clean. I threw a good shot in 4.9 and then barely missed it. And there's my husband, just striking away. Oh, he fanned it. Oh. The good news is he did not beat me by 100. I went up 4.9. It would have been okay. But not a bad team game. We're 2 games in and I just realized we bowl 6.
She's so dumb.
You told me it was a doubles tournament. I didn't know I had to bowl
It's singles
like
and
women's
doubles.
opens
It's-
championship.
God forbid Elise actually bowls some games and practices.
Nate forgets I have a broken back.
Needed a masseuse on deck. Gotcha, Chief.
I just wasn't mentally prepared for 6 games, so.
You're giving everyone sickness, so that's why I stopped rubbing you.
I'm what?
You're giving everyone sickness with how much you're twirling the camera.
No surprise, Nate. That's not. Stop striking. Oh, okay. I can't even tell when he likes a shot anymore because he didn't like his last one. Let's see. There's my score. Also, I found out we're going singles first, so I can just do my thing. I just gotta be ready the next game.
Alright, we got a ball change here. Elise just put grips in her new Bionic. Drilled it pinned down, so we're gonna see what happens. Okay, she hooked.
Look at me, Mrs. Clean again. Getting ready for the US Open to shoot a lot of spares. He's just gonna take a nap, I guess. Nate shot 781 for singles, and I shot 630. Respectable. I gotta figure out what ball I'm gonna throw. There we go. You guys missed Nate's first shot. He had the 3-6-10 standing, and they all fell. Also, if you see some drippage on his pants, he popped a pizza bite onto his pants. There it is. There's the pizza dripper on the pants. Nate, I told you.
All right, so I shot 781 in singles.
Oh, I did tell them the score too.
Okay, Elise caught you up to that. Great. So now we're in doubles. Elise went strike 9 spare. I went double.
I told them about your 3-6-10 as well.
Yeah.
And
Let's
your
put
pizza
up a
popper.
number and the pizza popper.
That was better than the 3-6 pen.
We got a baddie right now. She said, "Get the phone. I'm making it." Oh, she almost did.
I guess at least he's my teammate.
Just stretching the back out. Oh.
Too bad Nate can't bowl doubles by himself or with himself, like 2 of him.
Push. Hopefully we learn from our mistakes. I mean, that's better. It went to the right. All right, there we go.
I do need everyone to know I have not missed a 310 in like the last 3 months. So I am proud of that. Oh, he dropped it. He never did that. He took that one from the master class that I have online. Y'all, I threw a double. Nate's still holding me up. We are all struggling for our life over here, and this is just Nate over here on his own little ship. What's it like on that ship over there?
Shut down again. Shut down again, but not bad. All right, 188.
Okay, guys, if I want to split twice, it would have been pretty good for us. No, 276.
First shot, get it, throw it, motherfucker. All right, so good start to doubles, 276. Elise promised me 300, so let's see. And rip off of it. What is it? Oh, it fell, it fell. Oh.
Update, I'm still getting ready for the US Open. Spare game is locked. I actually picked up the 3-9 the last frame. Don't ask me about that. Nate left 2 10 pins the last 2 frames. Assuming he might ball change maybe soon, depending on what happens. Yeah, might be a ball change. Yeah, I thought he was going to try to fix it.
Oh, leaner. Leaner. Alright, so I shot 224 or something like that, and Elise had her whatever, so go.
Well, y'all, I reached church on a decent shot. And, yeah. Twinsies, I guess. course, Nate had to bowl the doubles tournament that's going on right now, and they have 111. I'm assuming by the reaction. That's his teammate.